Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Blackmagic camera app on Android. So it's very simple. All you need to do is open up your Play Store app and you can see, click on the search bar below your screen and first search for Black Camera and let's see. So once you set that, you can see there's none right here. So let's just add magic in between and see if we can see the Blackmagic app. Magic camera. So you can see, looking for Blackmagic camera, this app won't work for your device. So it won't work for my device, it might work for yours. So you can try that. But if you can't find it on the Play Store, then you have to maybe use a third party app or probably APK or even VPN if you want. Right? But right on Play Store you can find it, and it doesn't work for my phone as well. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, until my next video. Bye.